Welcome to Gear Era, the channel where automotive passion meets precise analysis, and where every new model is explored with depth, clarity, and a focus on what truly matters to drivers who value performance, design, and long-lasting reliability. Today's discussion revolves around one of the most anticipated pickups of the future generation, the Toyota Hilux 2027. This model has already built excitement across global markets due to Toyota's legendary durability and the evolution of rugged utility combined with modern refinement. The 2027 Hilux represents a bold step forward in the world of lifestyle and commercial pickups, blending luxury with toughness in a way that few vehicles manage to achieve. As we dive into its features, performance, design language, technological updates, and overall driving experience, you will get a complete understanding of what makes this upcoming Hilux one of the most impressive additions to Toyota's lineup. The Toyota Hilux has always been known as a vehicle that does not break easily, no matter the terrain, weather condition, or workload. The 2027 edition carries this same DNA, but amplifies it further with enhanced build quality, stronger chassis components, smarter driving aids, and refined cabin comfort. The exterior design brings a renewed identity to the Hilux name. Sleek lines flow smoothly across the body while muscular contours emphasize capability. A larger grille, more aggressive LED lighting patterns, and advanced aerodynamics contribute not only to the road presence of the truck, but also to improved efficiency on long drives. The white color option highlights the clean and sharp details of the body, making the 2027 Hilux look even more premium when viewed from any angle. Under the hood, Toyota has upgraded the powertrain options with a focus on better torque, smoother acceleration, and lower emissions. Depending on the market, the Hilux 2027 is expected to offer a highly refined diesel engine with advanced turbocharging technology, delivering strong mid-range power ideal for towing, off-roading, and carrying heavy loads. There is also speculation around hybrid support, which may enhance fuel economy while maintaining the rugged strength the Hilux family is known for. The engine performance is supported by upgraded suspension systems, improved damping control, and enhanced stability on uneven surfaces. Drivers will likely feel a noticeable difference in how the truck handles corners, absorbs bumps, and maintains grip during off-road adventures. Inside the cabin, the Toyota Hilux 2027 brings an entirely new level of comfort, luxury, and convenience. Toyota has transformed the interior with high-quality materials, better seat cushioning, improved sound insulation, and a modern cockpit layout. The infotainment system features a large high-resolution display with faster response times and smoother animations. Smartphone integration, navigation enhancements, and smart connectivity options create a more seamless driving experience. The instrument cluster may include a digital layout with customizable driving information to help drivers monitor performance, fuel efficiency, and off-road metrics more easily. Toyota understands that today's truck owners want more than toughness. They want a comfortable environment for daily commuting, highway traveling, and long-distance journeys. The Hilux 2027 takes this expectation seriously. Cargo management and utility remain at the heart of the Hilux philosophy. The rear bed is built with stronger materials to resist dents, scratches, and corrosion. The load capacity remains impressive, supporting a wide range of tasks from commercial use to adventure-oriented travel. Toyota ensures that the 2027 model keeps its reputation alive as a dependable workhorse, while also making sure it stays stylish and technologically advanced. Reinforced body panels, an upgraded ladder frame, and protective underbody components give the Hilux the strength it needs to maintain dominance in rough regions where durability matters more than anything else. Safety is another major area of advancement in the 2027 Hilux. Toyota's safety sense continues to evolve with updated radar technology, improved sensors, better pedestrian detection, lane assistance, and adaptive cruise control that operates more intelligently in heavy traffic. Cameras placed around the vehicle offer a complete 360-degree view, assisting drivers during parking, reversing, and navigating tight off-road paths. Hill descent control and traction management systems have also been optimized, giving drivers more confidence during challenging terrain conditions. The combination of active and passive safety elements ensures that the Hilux remains one of the safest trucks in its category. Driving comfort has also improved significantly in this model. The 2027 Hilux offers a smoother ride, thanks to enhanced shock absorbers and recalibrated steering response that feels more direct and refined. Whether driving on city roads, highways, or rocky landscapes, the vehicle offers a balanced feel with reduced cabin vibrations. This improvement is vital for long-term users who rely on their Hilux for both daily use and demanding tasks. Fuel efficiency, a concern for many drivers, is one of the key focuses of this model. Toyota has invested heavily in engine optimization and aerodynamics to ensure better mileage without compromising on power. Lighter materials, smarter engine tuning, and improved airflow all combine to give the Hilux 2027 impressive efficiency numbers. This balance of strength and economy makes the truck ideal for both business owners and families who value cost-effective performance. Looking at the market competition, the Hilux 2027 stands out due to its established heritage, exceptional build reliability, and Toyota's consistent focus on long-term dependability. While rivals continue to introduce bold designs and high-tech features, Toyota maintains a balance between modernity and practicality. This ensures that the Hilux appeals to a wider audience, from adventure seekers and off-road enthusiasts to professional users and luxury-oriented drivers. Overall, the Toyota Hilux 2027 is more than just an upgrade. It is a well-crafted vehicle built to meet the demands of modern drivers while staying true to the Hilux spirit. Its blend of rugged performance, advanced technology, refined aesthetics, smart interior enhancements, and world-class durability makes it a powerful contender for anyone seeking a dependable and sophisticated pickup. The white color further enhances its sharpness, giving the truck a premium identity suitable for luxury showrooms, modern roads, and adventurous landscapes alike. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more in-depth automotive analysis, make sure you subscribe to Gear Ira so you never miss our upcoming videos.